Hello and thanks for joining us. This is the news on energy powered by greenLITE. I am Abel Kure. On the headlines, Nigeria records drop in crude oil production, OPEC report reveals. NERC assures of improved electricity supply in Nigeria from July 1st. World Bank to finance the rehabilitation of Malawi's hydropower plant. And now, the news in detail. The Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC, says crude oil production of 7 of its member countries has in recent times recorded a decline. The organization, in its Monday oil market report of May 2022, showed that 6 member countries of Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, Angola, Algeria, and Congo have increased in oil production output, while oil production in Libya, Iraq, Nigeria, and Gabon, Venezuela, Iran, and Equatorial Guinea have recorded a decline. It added that the total OPEC 13 crude oil productions averaged 28.47 million barrels per day in May 2022 and lower by 239,000 barrels. The World Bank says the cost of fuel subsidy in Nigeria has exceeded government spendings on health, education, and social protection for Nigerians. The bank, in its latest Nigeria Development Report titled The Continuing Urgency of Business Unusual, released on Tuesday, said Nigeria is not benefiting from high oil prices due to lower output and fuel subsidy cost. In 2022, fuel subsidy is estimated to cost the government over $9 billion, which is almost 2% of the gross domestic product. The bank therefore advised that removing fuel subsidy would help the government towards its poverty reduction scheme. You're still watching the news on energy. We'll now take a short break. We'll be right back. Stay with us.
With just a code, you too can be smiling to the bank by becoming a greenLITE agent. Grow your customer base and start making profit every time they buy electricity from www.greenlite.com.ng. Anyone can become a greenLITE agent, even you.
Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. And if you're just joining us, you're watching the greenLITE news on energy. greenLITE Energy Systems is your Pan-African energy and utilities information network in Nigeria. Chairman of the Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission (NERC), Malam Sanusi Garba, says Nigeria will witness improved power supply from July 1st following renewed effort by the industry stakeholders. Garba said the NERC has facilitated a contractual agreement between the generation companies, the Transmission Company of Nigeria, and the 11 distribution companies that would guarantee the generation, transmission, and distribution of an average of 5,000 megawatts of electricity daily to customers, effectively from July 1st. Garba added that the contract is binding on all the players across the sector value chain and stipulates penalties for any party that defaults on the arrangement under the new regime. The government of Malawi has announced the receipt of a $60 million soft loan from the World Bank to support the rehabilitation of the damaged Kapichira hydropower plant. The president of Malawi, Lazarus Chakwera, said the rehabilitation of the power plant will ensure that the country stays focused on reaching the target of having 1,000 megawatts supplied to the grid within the next 3 years. And with that report, we've come to the end of greenLITE news on energy today. But before we go, a recap of the major stories. Nigeria records drop in crude oil production, OPEC report reveals. NERC assures of improved electricity supply in Nigeria from July 1st. World Bank to finance the rehabilitation of Malawi's hydropower plant. For up-to-date energy and electricity information, visit our website at greenlite.com.ng, and don't forget to follow and like our social media pages on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Also remember to subscribe to our YouTube page for real-time updates and other programs. Once again, thanks for staying tuned, and from all of us at greenLITE Energy Systems, it's bye for now.